Racing just started. We have Alexandrina. Break quickly restart. Moving up on the outside. Expecting Kaitlina. Jen's Joy in the middle. Santeria. Then next on line is Mr. Victoria. While Botbo is the early trailer by about 8 lengths from last to first. And going along for the first turn, we have Alexandrina setting up the tempo. By our length, and he have Santeria in second. Down on the inside is Jen's Joy. And on the outside now is expecting Kaitlina. Mr. Victory comes next while Botbo is still racing in last half mile distance. They traveled. We have Alexandrina by about 3 lengths. Santeria in second, expecting Kaitlina. Jen's Joy, Mr. Victory comes next while Botbo still racing in 6. And at the far turn, we have Alexandrina by about 2 lengths. Down on the inside, Jen's Joy. Santeria expecting Kaitlin, Mr. Victory in Botbo. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Alexandrina is still out in front by about 2 lengths. Moving up down on the inside, Jen's Joy, Botbo, Mr. Victory, Santeria expecting Kaitlin with about 100 meters of the race. Alexandrina followed by Mr. Victory, and finally is Alexandrina, Mr. Victory, Santeria, Jen's Joy expecting Kaitlin and Botbo.
1-3.